For Electronics 1 lab, we have built a LED clock. Basically, works like an analog clock, but instead of actual physical hands, it has LEDs that go and tick around as the seconds or the minutes or the hours increase. And it also displays the date and in the center. We thought that it would be cool not to only have like a clock, an LED clock that just ticks, but also one that also looks like it goes to infinity. Because we wanted it to be really grand and the first thing you'd see when you walked into the room. The only thing I think I would change is make it so that it can be mounted on a wall, reinforce it a little bit because we weren't confident enough that it could withstand being mounted on a wall.
It's a working clock, but every clock needs to be adjusted. And this was probably the most hard part. Definitely, it probably doubled the amount of time writing this. But, so you push it once, and you can see like this starts blinking. You can twist it around.
Very impressive. Beautiful.
Now it's hours. If you twist it all the way around, it switches from AM to PM.
It's important to mention that we don't learn this in class. What we learn in class is transistors, diodes.
Yeah.
This is all their work. This is all their hard work, their research. We don't do any of that in class. So hats off to them who learn all of this on their own. So that's what actually is impressive. It's them.
At this point, it's put all that information into the real-time clock, so it'll remember it. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, and there's just like a little switch on there that he was turning, and you can also press it in. So yeah, you press it in and it sets it and set it.
Yeah. Overall, it was over 600 lines of code.
What actual skills you got out of this project?
Definitely soldering.
Soldering.
Yes.
Beautiful.
A lot of soldering that has been done over and over plenty of times. Also, well, I was really intrigued. I've known about infinity mirrors a long time ago, but I've never had time or actually, I guess, people to build it with. But now since we build it, it's really nice to build. It looks really nice.
From my perspective, the skills I learned is being able to take like skills I already know and apply it to new things that I've never seen before, which is something that's done in the engineering world all the time.